Hello and welcome to Latin class. I'm just going to show you around a little bit. First thing we should start with is announcements. So every week you'll have a new announcement right here. This is your sort of opening announcement. It'll look like this. It'll have my email and my phone number. So if you need to get in touch with me, email me. Make sure you mention your class that you're in. You might be in a semester class, you might be in a trimester class, and I can always look it up or just remember, but it's always easier if you just tell me right away because then I'll be able to know. You can also text this phone number. Boom. All right. This thing here is telling you start here. Now, start here is actually over here. And when you click on start here, it's going to take you to a little test. You have to review policies and things like that, and then you take the test and you have 3 chances to get 100%, which you can totally do, and then you will be able to get into the rest of the class. Anytime you want, you go back to announcements, and there they'll be. Now, this announcement will slowly move down, 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 as I add more on top, but it will always be there, so you can go and you'll have my contact info there if you want. Also, my contact info will be over here under instructor info. So there it is again. There should be an awesome picture here. There it is. Oh, I said awesome. Okay, I lied. So anyway, there's a picture of me. Now back over here, course info is where you're going to get a lot of information on pacing guide, which is how you're going to make sure that you're staying where you need to be in the course. I'll also post a pacing guide every week, which will help you. Down here is the student welcome letter, which is quite awesome, which I made for you so that you can know what I'm going to be expecting of you and what you can expect of me. There's also policies and info, which is important. There are a lot of good things in here. You should look at all of it, but I want to highlight the hours of the help desk. So if you're having technical trouble and things like that, I'm not going to be able to help you as well as perhaps the help desk. I call them all the time for my password. Wait, that was irresponsible. Yes, I do. Okay, it's true. Scrolling down over here, you have a couple of different options to look at your lessons. You can just go by module. We start with module 1, obviously, and you click on each one of these, and there will be a little lesson in here, and you can read it, obviously, right? And so these are sort of your lessons. You want to take notes on these things, and if you see something like this symbol here, that means that's something you're going to have to turn in. And so an example would be the 1.06 insulae, and then you're going to go here, you're going to browse your computer for the file or whatever it is, and submit it. Down here are my grades, and this is where you're going to go to look at how you're doing in the class, and you can look at things that I've graded and how you're doing. Always email me if you have questions on anything, if you're not understanding something. That's kind of my thing. I'm the teach. Alright, I'm looking forward to a great year, and I'll see you online. Alright, that was cheesy, I'm sorry.